When it comes out here,
We are going to be learning about the vertebral column and the vertebra in that vertebral column. All of these vertebra, or most of them, thoracic and lumbar, have this structure called the body. On top of the body, they have a vertebral foramen, which is this hole, which is found on all vertebra. And the spinos process is this tail-like structure on the vertebra, mostly found on the thoracic bone.
Okay.
What is it?
Auditorial.
No, auditory acoustic.
Besides a transverse process, we need to know the lamina, and the lamina is this part that connects the rest of the vertebra to the spinos region of the vertebra. The lamina, besides the lamina, we also have our articulating process. Articulating process is the connection between each one of these vertebrae. There is a superior and inferior articular process, which is this part of the bone that connects the top part to the next vertebra, and in the bottom, this part and this part. The intervertebral foramen would be if these two were connected. I need another. And there was a hole in between each foramen. So there would be something like that. Intervertebral foramen. Or, yes, intervertebral foramen, otherwise the intervertebral hole between each foramen. And between that there would be this disc, we call that is cartilage, elastic cartilage, right? Alright. And has what we call the intervertebral disc that makes up. On the cervical vertebrae, we have two important vertebral bones, C1, C2. C1 is what we call the atlas. C2 is what we call the axis. On the atlas, or axis,
that's pretty much big hole, and then parallel to that is the occipital condyle.
We have transverse foramina.
I remember that now.
That's how I remember. I
Transverse foramina are
Occipital condyle.
What? It's just how you remember something.
well, I'm not sure what foramina is. We have C1, and then on C2, which is our axis, has this little
So your zygomatic bone is like your cheekbone.
odontoid process, otherwise known as the dens, and it's like a tooth on the vertebra.
Oh, you need too much this. Too much these little bumps here.
That's mandibular.
And on the thoracic vertebra,
This is occipital condyle.
we have
And then I think it's back here.
demifacets. What are demifacets?
Demifacets are the thing that connects to the ribs, where your ribs
Demifacets are found on the thoracic columns, which is the part where
the
rib,
so
the rib connects to the vertebra.
Right?
Oh, mandibular condyle. Okay, so we got the wrong page.
The lumbar vertebra are made of 5 of them, and they have this particular shape, and there are 5 of them. Thoracic, there's 12. Cervical, there is 7. And for the sacrum, we have to know
Mandibular fossa.
the sacrum and
Here it is.
the coccyx. the
So,
coccyx, which is hard to spell.
mandibular notch,
C-O-C-C-Y-X.
condyle,
Sacrum and coccyx. Sort
too
of.
much.
This is our sacrum, or sacrum, and this is our coccyx. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what it is.